In terms of the allocation of double-deck bridge pier columns between Taishan and Linkou, the regularized and automated bridge construction method should be adopted for this section of the road because the pier columns are built into double layers and the hinterland of the work area is so narrow that the lifting space and moving lines of the girder are restricted. As such, the full-span precast and launching method are employed and trussed work vehicles used to lift steel beams. The full-span precast and launching method, first seen in the domestic realm, is adopted. The work vehicles are fixed to the work areas of the pier columns so that the need for supporting frames is temporarily eliminated. The space needed for ground supports and lifting beams is reduced. Steel beams can be transported to the construction site for immediate assembly of lifting beams when the manufacturing of the steel beams and the test assemblies are completed. The additional storage space for steel beams is not required in the work area, and the impact of the construction of the steel suspension bridge on the construction site can be significantly reduced. The space for construction along the existing highway and Dakakung Creek is extremely narrow. Therefore, this construction method will be of great help to the ecological maintenance of Dakakung Creek and traffic safety on Freeway Number 1. Taiwan emerged from under the sea owing to a collision between the Eurasian and Philippine continental plates. As a result, the island is separated by the Central Mountain Range into eastern and western sections. One disadvantage of this Central Mountain separation is the blockade of traffic between east and west, and most industries have been established in the flatter west. With regards to the development of transportation along the east coast, the traffic along the east coast primarily depends on Highway Number 9 and some other minor highways. Those traffic routes were built early and now they require frequent renovation because they are often in poor condition. The Suhua Highway is the only highway that links the major cities along the east coast to Taipei, especially cities like Yilan and Hualien. Due to limited technology and budget at the early stages, the Suhua Highway was excavated and constructed along the mountain range, facing the Pacific Ocean. However, the weak geology and weather in the area have contributed heavily to weathering and erosion. This has affected the side slope consistency, which might further cause falling rocks, landslides, and other serious disasters that can affect travelers. Furthermore, the instability of the highway has confused many highway users and managers. In short, the improvement of the highway between Suao and Hualien is a top priority for everyone. Therefore, an alternative that took both development and environment into consideration is proposed and put into practice. The Suhua Highway Improvement Project takes responsibility for the safe, reliable transportation services and reinforces the highway to avoid accidents. For this purpose, bridges and tunnels are required for 3 dangerous sections such as Suao Dongao, Nanao Heping, and Heping Daqing Shui. And the 3 dangerous sections are lengthened to 9.7 kilometers, 20 kilometers, and 9.1 kilometers respectively. Jacana is one of Taiwan's endangered bird species. The earliest records were found in Kaohsiung by Robert Swinhoe, United Kingdom naturalist, in 1865. The Council of Agriculture Executive Yuan, COA, designated the jacana as a rare and protected species, Category 2, in 1989. According to the investigation, as of 1998, fewer than 50 jacanas remained. In 1990, an HSR project included a route that would overpass important habitats in jacana perch areas, thus threatening their survival. The Environmental Protection Administration, Executive Yuan, EPA, approved the HSR Environmental Impact Assessment Report, EIA, in 1995, except for the jacana conservation commitments. Due to the HSR route overpassing the jacana wildlife perch areas, the construction section should not be started without an approved conservation plan.